Where do you? It's cool. And hey.
Jag tar en skål med luren och kikar på
You didn't bring home the bacon, so.
That was so irritating, losing customer reserves.
Yeah. I took a risk in going Holland 3 and then hoping that other people like Palmer and everybody else speaks up.
As a kid, Bradley
Yeah, get in the vlog.
Oh wait, get in the vlog.
Get in the vlog.
Enjoy, boys.
Enjoy the game. Hope you get it. Get in the vlog. Sorry, yeah, get the boost feed in.
Where do you? It's cool. And hey, and they're tidy. Like, it's every week, all year. You know the game. So selecting this team, we're going to go out. But part of what we do is find out one day get coach.
I don't think Jamie would wear that.
Quite a nice little week.
No.
still a testing one, so. Yeah.
I think some of them will fix that. Well, they definitely will.
Sometimes playing a deep recycled pasta when the kids are very young in ham. And he got stuck and he recognised me and was like, hey! And he didn't know who I was. And then I was like, what happened? And she was like, how the hell did you know you? He obviously thought, obviously saw me on the side of the picture lot, but obviously thought I was a player. Which cricket? Oh, I see. He's a smart cricket. He's a seal.
That's so cool.
That the thing that's floating down the middle of the river.
Let's talk about that then.
Can you complete your backpack, Andy?
Almost. Oh, bloody hell, Walking Dead. He goes Walking Dead.
Did about 3 series.
Horrendous.
Off and all of that.
So cute.
Oh yeah, but that's insomnia.
That's how you high five in the restroom. What?
Rất là mới lạ bơ mà.
Oh, for Christ's sake, it's raining. Take how much for those ice cream stalls? Oh, yeah.
Mate, well, can we just point out that I've got a 100 record right now?
Jake messed me off for about 30 seconds like a man.
Yeah, to be fair, he was kind of like, oh, he's a long shot. Like, I know you normally work on Saturday, sometimes you have your kids, but I was like, you might be up for it because we're not flying. If we were flying, you'd be like, nope, you won't get on a plane. But actually, 2000 what do you drive on?
Train flat.
Only for riverside ticket holders. So basically,
Riverside stand, yes, we are. You can look down there if you want.
We're just going to have unfortunately, I'm kind of in a position where I work very closely with charity CEOs and work closely with my director of CEOs. And then I'm going into something new where I'm like fundamentally
But you know, but adds flavor to the story.
I don't know, I really lost my mind. It was one thing when this happened years ago, this time around, I was struggling to get behind it.
The issue is not really now, the issue is the book. In terms of similar is books where like within the book.
Constrained against but nothing compared to what their aspiration is. They won't be
Wait, now you know me, I got tickets to see like years ago. Me and this girl I used to be dating, Billy. The main here, when it's waiting up the stairs, when you get to the middle, the bouncer's like, I'm like, oh really? Alright, fucking go. And I was like, alright, put that in. Went round the back for 10 minutes, went back in the queue.